So here is my tool of choice, which I'm going to use on the injector. So you can use this, it's very cheap. I've seen people using a zip tie, so basically hook the zip tie underneath the injector and like removing it that way. It's just more hassle, pain in the ass. Get this tool, 15 pounds, it's cheap. I'm not sure about the thread there. I think it's M12 by 1.5 or 1.5, that's the thread pitch. So basically I'm going to thread this one on and slide hammer it out. So let me do that, and my brother-in-law will be recording me how I do it, how I remove the injector. Some people may say that the injectors are easy to remove, so let me try. If I can remove it by hand, which I doubt I will be able, but no, it's not that difficult. It may even be able to remove by hand, but let me show you how to use the tool so that you can see it yourself. So basically it is not a rocket science. The injector puller is threaded on, and now it's basically a slide hammer. So I'm just going to slide hammer it out. Yeah, it is removed, and now I can put back the new one. Now the injector is back on, that plate is back on. I used like a pick tools and managed to put it back there, and then hand tightened the bolt. Just hand tighten it, and then once you have it hand tightened, then you can tighten it down to 13 Newton meters. Then you can put back the fuel line, and the nuts for the fuel lines should be tightened down to 23 Newton meters. Then you can connect everything back and check, obviously code it to the car. I'll show you how to do it. And once you code it to the car, then you can start it up, delete the fault codes, and check back if there is still a misfire, or if it solved your issues, if it's better or worse. If you buy brand new injectors, the original ones, OEM ones, you should be good. In this case we will see, because I'm not quite sure.